Hello everyone! Today we are going to make some cute little crafty goodies that you can include in your Christmas gifts. These are also a great addition to your last minute Christmas purchases, so stay tuned and enjoy. So the first one that we are making is a greeting card, and I'm using a letter sized 110-pound cardstock which I've divided in half, and I've folded one of the halves in half, and now I've stuck a black piece of cardstock on top of it and then a pattern paper, and now I'm choosing a Christmas theme sticker to go on top of that, and it's that easy. It's such a great way to send your thoughts and your wishes to your friends and your loved ones, and it's such a joy to make with your family. For the second one, I'm using a printed cardstock paper and different colors of sticky note paper. I'm folding the cardstock paper in half and sticking a few sheets of the different colors of sticky note paper. And I'm using a slight amount of glue so that it stays put. And I'm adding a little decoration. And there you have your little sticky note booklet. Isn't that cute? If you want the exact measurements, please check out the description. So this is my favorite out of the three, and it's a mini shopping bag. You can use it to include smaller items like chocolate, tea bags. In this case, I'm using a mini hand sanitizer. I have gifted it to my friends, my pen pals, and they have loved it. So I start by taking measurements of the hand sanitizer, and then I use it to calculate the shape of the craft paper, the dimensions of the craft paper, and then I fold along the score lines and mitered the corners as shown. I also cut two equal length strands of baker's twine and knot them on the ends, and then I use double-sided tape to attach them on both the sides, and then I use glue to fold the sides and get the shape of the shopping bag. Oh, and I also use washi tape to cover up where I attached the strands, the baker's twine, so it looks more professional. And there you have your mini shopping bag. It makes those small gifts so much more special, and it brings a smile to your friends. I hope you like my video. If you have enjoyed it, please put a thumbs up on the video, and please share it with your friends. If you would like me to share anything else, please put it down in the comments, and I wish you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Bye bye.